First, pull up the timeline to see the frames. Then we know that with the help of rotate tool, the cube can be rotated. Now on the right side under the object properties, there is another way to rotate the cube, and also we can find rotation angles of X, Y and Z. So to create the animation, first select the animate property dot. It means we are making the current X rotation of the cube on first frame. Now move the blue line which is playhead to frame number 20 and change the X rotation of the cube. Again select the animate property. If we move the playhead to first frame and hit spacebar, the animation plays. We can try for y-axis rotation. So first keep the playhead on frame number 20 and select the animate property of rotation y. Now move the playhead to frame number 40, change the rotation y and again select the animate property. Let's do it for z-axis. Keep the playhead on frame number 40, select the rotation z's animate property, move the playhead to frame number 60, then rotate the cube on z-axis and select the animate property. Finally, set the end frame near to our last animation change. Move the playhead at the first frame and hit spacebar to play the final animation. So in this way, we have learned how to create cube's rotation animation in X, Y and Z axis.